Imagine a tool so powerful that it could help you transform your vision of your future into reality. This tool doesn't cost anything, and it's accessible to everyone at any moment. And it's called visualization, a technique used effectively by the renowned Louise Hay to create positive changes in life. Visualization harnesses the power of your mind to imagine and attract your deepest desires. Over the next few minutes, we'll explore how to use this tool through a structured 3-day guide that promises to set you on a path toward realizing the life you aspire to live. Imagine possessing the power to transform your life, to mold your future precisely as you wish. Visualization isn't just a technique, it's an effective tool that has been used for generations to foster significant personal and professional growth. We'll start on a 3-day journey, laying out a practical framework to harness the profound capabilities of your mind. You'll learn how to set clear intentions and apply mental imagery to manifest your desired outcomes. Visualization involves more than merely daydreaming or wishful thinking. It is an intentional and proactive practice that involves forming vivid mental images of what you desire in life. It is akin to creating a blueprint in your mind's eye, one that guides your subconscious towards your goals. The efficacy of visualization isn't mere speculation. It is backed by both anecdotal successes and scientific research. Studies suggest that when you visualize an act, the brain generates an impulse that tells your neurons to perform the movement. This creates a new neural pathway, priming the body to act in a way consistent with what's been visualized. The first step in effective visualization is clarity. You must be clear about what you want to achieve. This clarity isn't just about knowing the end goal, but understanding why it's important to you. The why provides you with motivation and anchors your visualization with emotion. For instance, if you aspire to advance in your career, focus not just on the position you wish to attain, but why it matters. Do you seek more influence, the ability to lead, or financial stability? When your goals are clear and charged with emotional energy, your visualizations become more powerful and persuasive to your subconscious. Next, setting the right environment for visualization can enhance your focus and effectiveness. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you can relax without interruptions. This could be a special chair in your living room, a peaceful spot in your garden, or even a dedicated meditation space if you have one. The key is consistency. Using the same space can condition your mind to enter a state of deep focus more quickly. When you begin to visualize, use all your senses to make the experience as vivid and lifelike as possible. If you're visualizing a new home, for example, don't just picture how it looks. Imagine the sounds of the new environment, the feel of the hardwood floors under your feet, and even the taste of your morning coffee enjoyed in your new kitchen. Engaging all your senses makes the mental imagery more real and tangible. Scientific studies provide compelling evidence supporting the effectiveness of visualization. Neuroimaging studies show that the same brain regions are activated when a person visualizes an action as when they actually perform it. This neural groundwork lays a foundation for actual performance, making it easier for the brain to execute the action in real life. Visualization also taps into the brain's reticular activating system, RAS, which helps filter the information that your brain needs to process and gives more attention to what you're actively focusing on. By consistently visualizing your goals, you're essentially training your RAS to recognize and prioritize experiences and opportunities aligned with your aims. Visualization increases your mental resilience. Regularly picturing yourself overcoming obstacles and achieving success can enhance your confidence and reduce anxiety associated with challenges. It's a form of mental rehearsal. Athletes and public speakers often use it to prepare for big events, picturing themselves performing at their best. To maximize the benefits of visualization, consistency is crucial. It's not just a one-off practice, but a habit to cultivate. Integrating visualization into your daily routine helps maintain the neural pathways that support the actions and outcomes you're aiming for. Even a few minutes daily can make a significant difference in how you pursue and achieve your goals. On the first day of your visualization journey, the focus is on setting clear intentions. Intention setting is like plotting your destination on a map before starting a trip. You need to know precisely where you want to go. Otherwise, you might end up somewhere else. This clarity helps concentrate your mental energy and aligns your subconscious mind with your goals. Start by identifying what you truly desire. Ask yourself what aspects of your life you wish to change or improve. Is it your career, personal health, relationships, or perhaps learning a new skill? Write these down in a notebook or a digital document, a simple list to keep track of your thoughts. Writing not only helps in clarifying thoughts, but also acts as a physical manifestation of your intentions, making them more concrete. After listing your goals, prioritize them. Which ones are most urgent or will have the most significant impact on your life? Select one or two to focus on during your 3-day visualization practice. Spreading your focus too thin can dilute the effectiveness of your efforts. For each goal, formulate a clear, positive statement that reflects what you want to achieve. Avoid negative phrasing, focus on positive outcomes. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," say, "I want to live a calm and peaceful life." This positive framing naturally shifts your mindset towards a state of achieving and being rather than avoiding. Attach a strong emotion to each goal. How will achieving this goal make you feel? Relieved, joyful, secure, or empowered? Emotions are powerful motivators and play a crucial role in the visualization process. They energize your intentions and help imprint them more deeply in your subconscious. With your intentions set, it's time to introduce the basic techniques of visualization. Visualization is not just about seeing an image in your mind, it's about experiencing the situation as if it's real and happening right now. Begin your visualization session by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. This helps calm your mind and prepares it for visualization. Start imagining the goal you've set for yourself. Imagine it in as much detail as possible. For instance, if your goal is to improve your health, visualize yourself eating healthy foods, exercising, and enjoying the benefits of a vibrant, energetic body. See yourself as healthy and whole. It's important to involve all your senses in the process. What do you see? What do you hear? What can you touch or feel? Perhaps you hear the sounds of the gym, feel the sweat on your body, or taste the fresh salad you're eating. The more vivid the sensory details, the more real it becomes in your mind. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on this exercise. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your visualization. This practice enhances your focus and deepens the mental imprint of your goals. Incorporate emotion into your visualization. How do you feel about achieving your goal? Allow yourself to feel these emotions fully: joy, pride, satisfaction. This emotional connection not only boosts your motivation, but also signals your brain that the outcome is important and attainable. End your session with a moment of gratitude. Appreciate the opportunity to create change and affirm your ability to reach your goals. Gratitude enhances positivity and opens your mind to a wider range of possibilities, making it an excellent close to your visualization practice. On the second day, we address the mental blocks and emotional barriers that might impede your visualization practice. It's common to face challenges such as skepticism, impatience, or even self-doubt. These obstacles can cloud your focus and disrupt the flow of your visualization exercises. First, recognize and acknowledge these barriers. Understanding that they are a normal part of the process can diminish their power over you. Many times, simply being aware of these thoughts and accepting their presence without judgment can help clear mental clutter. To effectively manage these obstacles, employ affirmations. Affirmations are positive, empowering statements that counter negative thoughts. If you find yourself thinking, "This isn't going to work," replace it with, "I am open to the positive changes visualization brings into my life." This helps rewire your thought patterns towards positivity and possibility. Another useful technique is to set small, achievable goals within your larger visualization practice. These can act as stepping stones and can provide a sense of progress and achievement. For example, if your main goal feels overwhelming, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. If your goal is to advance in your career, start by visualizing a successful completion of a current project. Achieving these smaller goals can boost your confidence and reinforce your commitment to your visualization practice. As you grow more comfortable with basic visualization techniques, it's beneficial to deepen your practice to enhance its effectiveness. This involves integrating more detailed imagery and emotional depth into your visualizations. To enrich your visualization, spend a few moments before you begin to deeply think about the details of what achieving your goal looks like. Consider aspects you might not have included before, perhaps the specific environment, the words you might hear from others, or the exact sensations you might feel. This level of detail can make your visualization feel incredibly real and tangible. Meditation can also be a powerful ally in deepening your visualization. By meditating, you calm your mind and enhance your focus, creating a fertile ground for vivid visualizations. Start with a short meditation focusing on your breath or a simple mantra. Once you feel centered and calm, transition into your visualization practice. Music or ambient sounds can also enhance your visualization. Choose sounds that resonate with the scenario you are imagining. If you're visualizing a peaceful retirement, perhaps the sound of waves or a quiet forest can help transport your senses to that setting. Additionally, regularly revisiting your goals can help keep your visualization practice aligned with your intentions. While we enter the third day of our visualization guide, the focus shifts towards seamlessly integrating this powerful practice into your everyday life. The goal is to make visualization not just an exercise you do occasionally, but a regular part of your daily routine. This consistency is key to manifesting the changes you desire. Begin by identifying specific times in your day when you can practice visualization without interruption. Morning before the day's demands take over is often ideal, but if evenings or midday work better for your schedule, that's fine too. The important aspect is to choose a time when you can be calm and undistracted. Consistently practicing at the same time and place can also help condition your mind to enter a state of deep focus more quickly. Next, consider linking your visualization practice to a regular daily activity. For instance, visualize while you're having your morning coffee or during a daily walk. Associating visualization with an already established habit can help ensure you don't forget or skip your practice. To keep your practice engaging, vary the details and scenarios you visualize about achieving your goals. This not only keeps the practice fresh, but also allows you to explore different aspects and outcomes of your goals, enhancing your adaptability and preparedness for various realities. Keep a journal of your visualization experiences. Note any new ideas, feelings, or clarity that comes from each session. Journaling can enhance your self-awareness and provide insights into how your visualization is evolving and how closely aligned it is with your real-life actions and decisions. To further refine and enhance your visualization skills, you can incorporate some advanced techniques that can deepen the impact of your practice. These techniques help solidify the mental images and make the envisioned outcomes feel even more attainable. One advanced method is the creation of a vision board. A vision board is a physical representation of your goals, featuring images and words that resonate with what you want to achieve. Serves as a constant visual reminder of your aspirations and can be particularly motivating to look at daily. You can place this board somewhere you will see it often, like your workspace or bedroom. Another technique involves writing detailed narratives about your desired future. Take some time to write out the story of your success as if it has already happened, including as much detail as possible. This writing exercise can help you clarify and strengthen your vision, making it more vivid and detailed in your mind. For those who enjoy technology, there are visualization apps available that can guide you through various scenarios with prompts and reminders. These apps can be a convenient way to stay engaged with your visualization practice on the go. Practice the technique of segment intending, a process where you pause at various points throughout your day to visualize and affirm how you want upcoming segments of your day to unfold. This practice helps keep your daily actions aligned with your visualization goals. As we wrap up our 3-day journey into the world of visualization, remember that the true power of this practice lies in its regular application. You've learned how to set clear intentions, use basic and advanced visualization techniques, and integrate this practice into your daily life to continuously nurture and grow your aspirations. Visualization is more than just a tool. It's a pathway to transforming your dreams into reality. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and watch as the life you've envisioned begins to unfold. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. If you found value in this guide, please consider sharing this video with someone who could benefit from it. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this. Your support helps us create more videos that can help you and others manifest the life of your dreams. Every like, share, and subscription goes a long way in helping us bring more valuable content your way. So hit that subscribe button and let's continue this journey together. Thank you for watching and keep visualizing your success.